Look at all this you see is humidity, and I can be easily prevented. I'm going to explain to you what we're doing here and what you can to do prevent this implicit humidity from appearing. There are a several ways to waterproof a foundation. You can use a plastic or human membrane if you have more money. You can use a reinforced cement of waterproof cement or concrete. The one we're using here is a black asphalt waterproofing. What we're doing here is applying an asphalt membrane to the foundation. This base is a cyclopene base that already has certain waterproof properties because it is something made with lime. But to reinforce and sleep peacefully, what we're applying or what our good teacher is applying is this anti-humidity barrier. What I do is prevent that saltpeter from appearing in the menstrual structure. You may wonder why we use it as planned waterproofing product and not acrylic one. That is always a common question since when we heard that you easily relate it to white or red color. Maybe you didn't even know that black waterproofing existed. I'll explain into you here, and if you don't understand it, leave in the comments, Archie, I don't understand you. The acrylic waterproofing that is normally used in a roof have perfect plastic properties, which means that it does not break when contact or expands due to temperature changes. The tile is that the foundation, because being underground, it's almost always not exposed to this temperature change, since underground always has a average temperature stability. Now, can this waterproofing only be used of foundation? No, it can also be used of roots, but it's not recommended because it will make the house water colors. Yes, you can, but it is not recommended. But if you can, you can. The same one can be used in a planters, either in a planter of input. For example, here, all this is going to be a candle, and this entire surface must be waterproof. So that when placing a human brain, it becomes a container, and that when placing the soil, it does not affect whether we water the plants. We can give you some recommendation for waterproofing. Always do always do it when the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Always do it when there is a no rain forecast within 48 hours. If you have a very round surface like the on here, it's advisable to clean is so then that there is a good adhesion of the material. And if the manufacturer always say do a freeze layer of sealant.